Hey folks, how y'all doing today? Hope you're doing well and hope this week has treated you well. And yeah, enjoying this crazy weather. I don't know about y'all, but it's been raining and now it's a nice day, but it's supposed to start back raining this evening, I guess. We're gonna be at Home Depot today for their daily deals. Also, I've got some from Lowe's, as well as we're gonna be talking about Amazon. Their Prime Days are coming up, and I got a couple of sneak peeks for you. Just yeah, all that'll be linked down below, and let's get into it. But one caveat, I used to read all this down, and those videos were a lot longer, so we're just gonna compress it. We're gonna see what happens, and we're gonna try that out. Okay, so basically all the Ryobi things I would just really check on the Ryobi days. It's still going on, and also towards the end of Ryobi days, when they start clearance and stuff out, you also want to keep an eye out for all that too. This right here is a pretty decent deal. The Ryobi 1 Plus HP. We got some Milwaukee here. The best thing I see here is going to be your M12 fuel. That's going to come with your impact, your hammer drill, a 2.0 and a 3.0. If I'm not mistaken, I believe that is a 3.0. I'm a little rusty, but that is going to be a, trying to see, 4.0. I'm sorry. No, just check that out. Anyway, it's gonna be a 4.0 with that. Next thing that I saw that I kind of liked is these fans. Now, I'm a fan. I'm a fan of fans. My favorites are the Ryobis. There's one right there. I actually got one right here that I use, as well as there's two more over there. So I really like Ryobi fans. I don't have any rigid batteries, but I think my father-in-law do. I wouldn't mind picking those up just to check them out, see how well they work. Compared to the Ryobi ones. Next, this half-inch ratchet kit from Rigid is pretty decent. It's got a 2.0 battery with it and a bag. You're looking at $121 for that. And remember, these are today and today only. Next, we have this DeWalt 5.0 and 2.0 battery and charger, 8025. But of course, for $88.80, you can get a 5.0 power stack. So depending on what you're going to be using those batteries for, depending on which one you get, the power stack is definitely going to give you a little bit more power versus the standard 20 volt max. So take that as you want or will. Next, we have this Ryobi 3/8 inch impact wrench, and that's going to come with your 4.0 battery, and that's $91. And then beside it, we have this 4-mode half-inch high-end torque wrench, and that's going to come with two 4 amp hour, their high output batteries for $202. Also, if you're interested and you don't need a high torque, they do have a mid torque. This isn't one of the deals of the day, but so you got a little time. But this one right here, $179. But if you do the Ryobi days, which is going to be two 4.0s and a 2.0, those are going to be the high performance batteries. So at $199, you can get this for free. And again, that's only if you don't need the high torque. Depending on what you're going to do. Again, next, this 8.0 battery with the rapid charger for $113. That's a good one, especially like I said, if you're in that Ryobi 18 volt platform, that's a good one. We got some Milwaukee stuff here. Nothing to scream to the heavens about, but you can go back and look at it. Look at all these. I'll have them linked down below. As far as what everything is, we also have, let me find it. These right here are pretty nice. These are your tool holder or trap mats. Some people use them on top. Other people use them, in their drawers of their toolbox. So you may want to take a gander at those. We also have this rigid cordless subcompact 1/4 inch sheet sander. That's going to come with your 2 amp hour battery for $96. That's another solid deal, if you're in that rigid line. Also for $63.75, if you just want that 4.0 with a charger, you can get that. But of course, I will definitely get the one of the others for that much. The next thing that I saw was this Milwaukee Sawzall kit. It's gonna have 32 pieces. It's gonna be your wood, metal, wood and metal, both of them. $39.97. That's gonna be a pretty good discount for those. Now they do have some, right now on sale, but it's not the 32 pack. I think it may be the 12 pack, if I'm not mistaken. Sorry, I'm just a little bit rusty. Like I said, the videos I made not too long ago was definitely my first in a little while. Next we have this Milwaukee multi-tool blade set. It's gonna be 8 pieces. You got, I'm trying to see what all it is. Yeah, they're all bimetal. You got the curve cutter and the other cutters. $21.97 for that one. That's a really good pickup. Just blades. They're any kind of blade, no matter what brand you get. I personally like Diablo. That's what I use. But any kind of blade, just know that it's a consumable good. And since it's consumable, you can, of course, go on YouTube, check with other YouTubers what they like and everything, or just buy one a piece. Wait till they're on sale, buy each one of them, and eventually you'll find something you like. At least I think so. The next thing they got is smart door locks and door handles, and because I don't know anything about those, I didn't really get into them. I do want to show you this right here. I did find this when I was looking at everything. You may have this in your store, but you definitely want to go online, search it up, and see if they have this in store for you. This is going to be your 20 volt max power stack. It's going to be 3.5. And then I know we have the 5 amp hour, but if you're watching this after, what's this, the 11th, this is something that's still going to be going on like the other two. But the in-store clearance price for me is $78. So I would definitely check that out, see if your store has it. It may be a little bit more, it may be a little less. You can't never tell, Clearances is why they call it deal hunting, not deal getting. So a lot of that stuff you gotta really search for and find. But over at Lowe's today, for their deal of the day, they have this 7 1/4 inch 20 volt max single bevel sliding compound miter saw kit. And it's gonna be $2.99. That is solid. Comes with a charger and the battery. If you just need a small one to cut 2x4s and things like that, I have to think about it. I believe that'll be a really good one. I mean, I don't know if they make a dual bevel in that size, but for $2.99, that's a no-brainer in my opinion. Next, they have all of these right here. They have some cobalt tools here. All of these come with a battery and charger. Of course, you got the fan right there. It's the misting fan. I love a good misting fan. I got Ryobi misting fans. Even though I'm definitely a Milwaukee guy, I guess you could say I'm just a TTI guy. So, one of these days, TTI, Kyle brother. But anyway, they do have these Craftsman items on, and the Cobalt. If I'm not mistaken, again, I should have double checked that, but I believe that the Craftsman days and the Cobalt sale is still going on over there. So, like I said, everything's come with the battery and the charger. Just look and see what you need. You got the blowers, edgers, you got a little pole saw here. Now, this is something I didn't know about, which is the Toro 60 volt. Toro is good, outdoor power tools as far as their gas stuff go. So, I'm guessing, you got 4.5 out of 470 stars. It's got to be good. Every one that I looked at has, 4.5 to 5.0 from the Toro line. And it looks like all these come with a 2 amp hour battery or 2.5 amp hour battery. So if you're interested in those Toros, definitely pick them up. If you've used Toro before, let me know down in the description. Let me know down in the comment section. I'm interested to know how you feel about it. Again, I've never used the Toro, so I am curious. This right here seems like it's gonna be a good one right here. It's gonna be your Craftsman RP20 1-inch SDS variable speed rotary hammer, and it's a it's a BOGO. You're looking at getting a 2.0 battery. I mean, at least it'll be lighter. I don't know how much work you'll get done, but it'll be a lot lighter than having like a 5.0 or something like that on there. And for $99, I mean, if you need it, it's there, and that's a great price for it. Now, like I said, we have Amazon Prime Days coming up. And here's a couple of deals for it. Now, the thing about Amazon Prime is you got to be a Prime member. But I'll let you in on a little secret, and that is you can do a sign up, you get a free trial. And, you know, if you leave that trial, you know, if you cancel it beforehand, you know, I'm just saying, you can try it out. That way you can get some of these deals and everything. If you don't like it, cancel it. I'll leave a description I'll leave a link down in the description. You know, eventually I'm gonna get this right. But again, I'll leave a link to the Prime membership, and also these couple of deals I'm finna show you. They'll be down. They will be affiliate links. Not might be, but they will be affiliate links if you want to click on them. Or you can just use your browser search, and you know, if you don't want to do anything. But if you click on them, they definitely will help the channel, and hopefully we'll get more things to test, more things to review, and things like that. But first off, we have this Flex 24-volt brushless cordless compact tool kit. That's going to have your 1/2-inch 2-speed drill driver and your 1/4-inch hex impact driver with two 2.5 amp batteries and the fast charger. Now, they do have the ones with the hammer drill. Like I said, you just got to search around. I didn't personally see the hammer drill one. They did have it a couple of weeks ago. But again, $139 for those. Solid deal. I mean, Flex, you can't really get it at Lowe's anymore, but you can still get that Acme Tools. And I think Ohio Power Tools still have it. Both of those are reputable companies there. I bought stuff from both of them. Great customer service, great products, and they actually have deals of the day as well. I'm gonna try to start implementing that. And yeah, next we're gonna have another Flex tool. That's gonna be their oscillating multi-tool. It's gonna be 20,000 oscillations per minute, and you're looking at 109 for that. It's down from about 150, well, let's say 143 there. So, you know, 130 to 150, depending on what you're doing. If you just want to pick it up for $219, you can get it with the 2.5 amp hour battery. You know, also, this right here, a lot of people kind of overlook this. Me personally, I don't. Amazon do have used products. Somebody may get it, they may use it once or something like that, and they don't like it, they send it back. Some of it is just brand new, people get the wrong thing, or they buy a gift to somebody, they don't want it, they send it back. So down here, if you want to save $20, they have a used like new, and it ships and sold by Amazon, so it's backed by Amazon. This ain't Jimmy John's down the street, you know. So if you want to try that, if you trust renewed tools and things like that, this is a good way to save some money. Again, you know, me personally, I have done that a lot. But if you decide to, it's really up to you. But again, there's going to be hopefully a lot of deals. We also have the Walmart days coming up, and it seems like every retailer during Prime Days decide, hey, we're going to have a sale too, which makes sense. I mean, they all want a little piece of the pie. I don't blame them. I want a little piece of the pie, you know, a little ice cream or something like that on it. But that's all I have for today. I appreciate you joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this. I'm just trying out some new formats, trying to compress these videos a little bit and get you the things that I like and leave you a link to where you can find all of them. And yeah, know that you're loved, know that you're worthy, know that you're valuable, and the world needs you. And yeah, I know that because I'm speaking from a place of bad headspace, bad mental things or whatever, depression, but know that you can get through it. We'll get through it together. Again, I appreciate you. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like button, comment down below if your favorite tool brand, if you're planning on buying tools from Amazon, if you would buy tools from Amazon, let me know down in the comment section. I appreciate it. And hopefully we'll see you again real soon. Take care.